Alright guys, this is Bill from BillsBoxBreaks.com. We're doing box number 4 of 2013 Momentum Football. I want to wish everyone good luck. If you're not able to make it, always keep in mind that I always do post these on YouTube directly after and then send the links promptly after as well. Jags have been hot actually, for pack go. Had 2 Maurice Jones-Drews out of 25. So maybe I'll get 3, you never know. Alright, first pack, here we go. Alright, we got Roethlisberger, Justin Blackman, Crabtree, reverse these, Tyler Wilson, rookie, and then the first hit is going to be for the Titans, Chance Warmack. Chance Warmack, Titans, and that is out of $5.99. Oh, then we got one of these nice clear ones. I like these. For the Bengals, Jermaine Gresham. Trying to put a set of these together. They're so beautiful. I like them. Alright, so I'll put that to the side as well. And the last card was a Michael Crabtree. Alright, second pack we got Joe Flacco. If basically how I'd usually do it is if you get a hit, I'll include all the base in there. If you want the base shipped, you got like a lot of spots, I'll ship it. But if you got like one spot and you want the base, just toss me $2 for shipping. I'm happy to ship it. Alright, we got Flacco, Whedon, Martin, Reggie Bush, and let's reverse these. Xavier Rhodes, rookie. Second card is going to be for the Niners, Marcus Lattimore, rookie jers. And that is out of $3.99. And Reggie Bush was the last one there. Now make sure you did get a hit, so yeah. I'll ship all your base cards. Alright, then we got Jacoby Ford, Holmes, Gordon, Kenny Britt. We'll reverse these. More rookie. And we'll be going this way. It is going to be a Matt Barkley, triple jurors. Rookie auto for the Eagles, and that is out of a $1.99. Nice clean auto. There you go. Nice hit for the Eagles. Kenny Britt. That's good. That's good. Fozzie Bear. Looking my way. Give me some good luck. Alright, Spiller, Graham, Matt Ryan, LaShawn McCoy. Go ahead and like that. Deion Jordan, rookie. And the next hit, Cardinals, Andre Ellington. Auto. Can you tell what person had what hit? I mean, I could go back and do a recap with you, but it kind of slows up the video. But I can, you know what teams you had, Rep? And this Ellington is out of 99, not bad. I can go back and tell you. But I keep the camera up, so I need to get a couple monitors, so it's kind of difficult to pull up the spreadsheet. I should just start printing them out. You're right. Good idea. I'll just start printing out the list so I can have it right next to me. So in the next one, I will do that, sir. All right, we got Peyton Manning, AJ Green. Well, if it's from me, but if we can tell that. Yeah, I'll go through the end with you too. Cecil Shorts, Greg Jennings, and then the hit, Marcus Lattimore, rookie, and then nice for the Giants, Amani Toomer. It's not a tumor. Nice prime patch there. A little stitching for the Giants, and that is out of 25. Let's see how well my camera's focusing tonight. Pretty good. Out of 25. All right, and Steve Johnson, Darren McFadden, Cam Newton, Richard Sherman. We'll reverse these to the rookie, D. Milner, rookie. And our next hit is going to be another one for the Niners, Vance McDonald, rookie jersey for the Niner Nation. And I bet that's a lower number one too. No, out of 399, huh? Nice card though. Like it. All right, put that up there. And a couple hits for the Niners. All right, and then we got Jeremy Maclin, Dwayne Bowe, Carlson Palmer, Josh Freeman. Go back to the rookie. It's going to be Nick Casa. And then our hit is going to be for the Ravens, Matt Elam. Matt Elam. And that is out of 599 Ravens. And then the Josh Freeman. Alright, and then we got Heath Miller, Reggie Wayne, Wes Welker, Jamal Charles. Oh, there's a hit for that's got to be for the Jags, I think. That's yeah, Ace Sanders. There you go, go Pack go. Rookie initiation out of 299. Did not go empty-handed. You got a hit, dude. And then we have Cyprian, don't know how to say his name. Excuse me there. Dustin Keller, Lynch, Kaepernick, Samuel, and then we'll reverse it to the rookie, which will be Ryan Swope, and then our hit is going to be for the Chiefs, Derek Johnson, in jersey, and that is out of 99. And then Samuel. All right, last pack. Good luck. Thanks for joining. Check out the other one. I'll look at some more of these boxes tomorrow. Got plenty of other boxes I can break though, so check out my listings on eBay and my site. Derek Johnson, Tom Brady, Nelson, Ballard, and let's go ahead and reverse this. Eric Fisher, a rookie. And their last hit is going to be the Giants, Ryan Nessib, double jers, a rookie. And that is out of $3.99. And the Kenny Vaccaro is going to be out of $99. Short print. Alright. Alright guys, once again, thanks for joining. Check out the site, BillsBoxBreaks.com, and my eBay listings. We'll see you next time.